Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy. First, gather your essential tools: a cotton candy machine, floss sugar, and paper cones. Ensure your machine is clean and ready for use. Choosing a high-quality floss sugar or hard candies will give you the best, fluffiest results. Preparation is key to a successful and delicious treat. Once your machine is ready, turn it on and allow it to fully heat up for several minutes. Carefully add 1 scoop of your chosen floss sugar directly into the center spinner head. As the sugar melts, delicate strands will begin to emerge from the sides of the bowl. This is the magic happening, transforming simple sugar into fluffy, sweet goodness right before your eyes. Now for the fun part, collecting your cotton candy. Take a paper cone or stick and hold it horizontally just above the spinning sugar. Gently twirl the cone around the inside edge of the bowl, allowing the wispy strands to wrap around it. Continue this motion, building up your sweet treat until it reaches your desired size and fluffiness. Enjoy your creation. Making cotton candy is a delightful experience. Feel free to experiment with various flavored sugars to discover your favorite combinations. Remember to clean your machine thoroughly after each use to maintain its performance and longevity. For more great deals and to find the Oala water bottle mentioned, check out the links in the description below. Keep practicing, and you'll be a cotton candy master in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.